Alright, I'm here outside, and this is the only light I have out here, so if you can't see me, tough. Finished my headlights tonight. It is about 10:30-ish, around then. I actually kept my dad up at his garage, using his tools and stuff. So, this is the wireless remote to my headlights, and they're already installed. I did a lot of adjustment, height-wise, width-wise, and one of the lights, I just couldn't get it down height-wise. I'm too lazy to keep working on it, so I just left it a little too high. The passenger side is just fine. But here it is, finished project. Which one is mine? Let's see. It's pulsing. It's like a strobe effect. It's, like I said, you guys can't see it on the camera. Green, baby. The Hulk within. And other remote alarm. It's warming up. There it is. I'm having a slight problem with the harness. Yeah, see. Well, that's normal because the light gauge is turned off, but my high beams don't come on. Let's see. I think it's drawing power from the high beams. From the see the high beams. Radio. See the high beam on? Stays on. Nothing happens. But I'll fix that tomorrow. I'm just too tired right now. But they're bad as hell. Way better than the stock lights. Way fucking better. This project's been going on since November. I've been buying parts. So now I can just sit here all freaking day and just play with my lights. Well, I was gonna go with red, but my brother's like, "Oh no, dude, green looks way better." So I did green. Now I live right there. You can't tell. You see a window. I can just like freak people out. They'll walk into their cars here and just be like, "Bam!" or just "Bam!" Or just leave it on like this all day and see what happens. Yeah, but that's my Dodge Stratus custom retrofit projectors made for myself, no one else. And I'm sitting here waiting for my kids to come because we're gonna go get something to eat. So, thanks for watching, and please leave a comment. I really like good or bad feedback, and here come my kids. So, peace out.